When you press number 1, it means this is called target value. Target value means the weight you want to weigh. Currently it's showing 20. It means after weighing, each bag will be 20 kilogram. You press number 1. If you want to change the target value to another, let's say 10, you press enter. 10. Now 10 kilogram. Then you press enter and exit. You see, now the target value is 10. So the weighing will be 10 kilo per bag. Also, this two weighing hopper. After this one weighing 10 kilogram, and this one will be weighing another 10 kilogram. So the speed will be faster.